In this video, I'll show you how to link Google Calendar to Notion, the different ways this works today, and which option makes the most sense depending on what you actually want to do. First, here's the most important update. There isn't just one Google Calendar to Notion setup anymore. Notion currently offers Notion Calendar, which connects directly with Google Calendar, and it also offers a separate Google Calendar AI connector for Notion AI on eligible workspace plans. Notion's official pages say Notion Calendar syncs with Google Calendar accounts, while the AI connector is a separate feature for business and enterprise workspaces. If your goal is to see and manage your Google Calendar inside Notion's calendar experience, the easiest method is to use Notion Calendar. Notion says you can connect multiple calendars there by opening Settings, going to Calendar Accounts, and choosing Add Calendar Account. Once connected, your calendars appear in the left sidebar, where you can hide them, reorder them, and manage events. So the basic process is simple. Open Notion Calendar, go to Settings, add your Google account, and authorize access. After that, your Google Calendar events will sync into Notion Calendar so you can view your schedule in one place. Notion's product and help pages describe this as a direct Google Calendar integration built into Notion Calendar. Now, here's something a lot of people get confused about. If you're asking how to put a fully interactive Google Calendar directly inside a normal Notion page, Notion's Help Center says that's not currently supported. Their FAQ says you can't bring calendars like Notion Calendar or Google Calendar directly into a Notion page for full native management. What you can do inside a Notion page is embed a view-only Google Calendar. Notion says you can embed a view-only Google Calendar if the Gmail address for the calendar matches the one you use for Notion. Their help page explains that you make the calendar public in Google Calendar, copy the public calendar URL, and then embed that into Notion. There's also a third option, which is the Google Calendar AI connector. This is different from normal calendar syncing. Notion says this connector lets Notion AI read Google Calendar data, but it requires you to be a Google Workspace admin and a Notion Workspace owner, and the workspace must be on a business or enterprise plan. Setup starts in Settings arrow Notion AI, then you add Google Calendar and complete the Google Marketplace connection flow. So the smart way to choose is this. Use Notion Calendar if you want real calendar syncing and scheduling. Use a public embed if you only want a calendar visible on a Notion page, and use the AI connector if your organization wants Notion AI to search calendar data. Those are 3 different setups, and Notion documents them separately. And one more useful tip. Notion says you can connect multiple calendar accounts, but if you can't add more than 5 calendars in Notion Calendar, that may be due to performance limits. So to link Google Calendar to Notion, the easiest path for most people is to open Notion Calendar, go to Settings, add your Google Calendar account, and authorize it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.